Lakaw-lakaw na po siya sa small ferry. May mga island doon, no? Padating na tayo. Padating ka na naman sa another island, no? So, dito po tayo. It's another ship. Klaro kayo. Klaro, snow. Maulan na umaga. Yan. Let's go to that Hakuya Island. Hakuya. Nililibot natin yung whole island from dulo to dulo. Hakuya Island. Ayan. And then, doon meron siyang nice bridge. This is heading to Tromsø City. That bridge. Endpoint na to. So, we go back. And then, let's go to Tromsø City and to the other island. Sarap mag-fishing dito. May halibut dito. Oh. Fishers. Ano naman tayo sa bridge? Those kids, they said that there's halibut. Hakoy. Dadaanan natin ang Tromsø City.
May cruise na rin.
Ship, ferry, cruise. This is the ferry to Lyngsedet. Lyngsedet.
Nakakatanig ka na?
Lyngsedet, yan. Let's see if ito ba yung ferry kasi around 1 aalis na, or we take another 1 next ferry around 2. Papunta pala tayo sa Svensby. How do you pronounce it? From here, ayan, to here. It's about 20 minutes journey. So, asakad to?
Svensby.
Svensby. This is a car ferry. Daming ding nakasakay. Let's go to another island. Lagan. Sakay na po kag ferry. Asa? Svensby. Little ferry lang siya. 20 minutes journey. And baka may gusto ka dyan, coffee. Tarap siya. Lakaw-lakaw na po siya sa small ferry. And mga passenger seat. May mga island doon, no? Padating na tayo. Padating ka na naman sa another island, no? From there, tapos we will drive to another port. Sakay na naman tayo doon. Ayan. Ayan, punta na tayo sa sasakyan. Very fast journey. Dito na tayo. Now we're getting out from the ferry. Ayan, safe arrive. Just for a few minutes, 20 minutes. Ayan, sila naman yung sasakay pabalik doon. Para lang siyang Helsinki to city to Suomenlinna. Now we're heading to Lyngsedet. Kana na to siya. Land trip na to siya for about 30 minutes. Yan na yung ferry na sinakyan namin. Bilis lang. Mountain view na naman. Kaganda dito na side, oh. Oh, di ba? Nice po ang imong view dera, oh, mountain. Kita-kita ko yung iyong pisngi. Nice. This side din, oh. Oh, di ba?
Grabe po.
lang tayo. Ang ganda. Mashallah. Kaya nga. Daming isda, oh. Naman. Lumasol na po ka? Ah, ganda-ganda. Mashallah. Oh, diba, clouds? So we're here already. How many minutes driving from that other port? 25 minutes. So we're heading to Olderdalen. It's about 14:15 in the afternoon, the next trip. Ang bilis! Ayan na yung ferry na sasakyan namin. Time check, it's 2:04. And then we're leaving 14:15 in the afternoon to Olderdalen. Gilaglaag si sir, oh. Let's get inside na. Vlog tayo saglit. Maybe there are other travelers that will pass by in the same route. Here we took 2 ferries and then you can pay online or autopass. Autopass is more cheaper, but we don't have that autopass next time. So you just register your vehicle and some credit card or debit card via online through ferrypay.no, and then the bill will automatically come to or charge to your bank account. So here there's a crew who will take a photo of your vehicle, and then it will automatically register to, I don't know, to their system that they will send you a bill. So very easy. Actually, this ferry journey, it's on the spot. Our friend just informed us there's a ferry. There are ferries, so you don't need to drive for 5 hours. And habang nagde-drive siya, I checked everything in the Google. How to do this, how to do this. So you need to be flexible and very fast, attentive. Para everything is, the journey will be smooth. Haplos-haplos at yan. Busog. Kakain tayo dyan. So this trip will take us about 40 minutes. And then from there, we will drive to my friend's house. See you! Grabe. Katulog ka naman na maayos. So dito po tayo. It's another ship. Passenger seat. Okay. Dito tayo nakapwesto para maganda ang view. And the other side, yan. Larga na ta sunod. Kauntag, boy, bawang. Alis na tayo. Dunggo na. Paalis na pala. Okay. Ang ganda na kanilang dagat, oh, very clear. Dunggo nami. Naka, they have also restaurants. Ay, canteen. Ayan, nakapamasyal na naman tayo sa different islands. And we're here. We're here na tayo. Sakay na naman tayo, and then let's go. We stop here a bit. We park the car there. And this is the view. Nice. Because he wants to do fishing. And the target is halibut. Sana makakuha ka. It's rainy. Dito tayo sa port. Ayan. Nasa port na naman kami. Para lang siyang drawing. I-zoom natin. Medyo cloudy siya. So, move na kami. Ayan. Ganda ng view, oh. Let's move. It's not necessary to get Hollywood. Kasi dito lang kami for few minutes, stop over. Then, let's continue our journey. Hi!